This is going to blow your mind. Lawnmowers aren't just for mowing anymore. Imagine this, a group of friends, tired of spending big bucks on auto racing, decide to turn lawnmowers into speed machines. That's right, lawnmower racing was born in the UK with just a dash of genius and a pinch of crazy. So how does it work? Competitors use actual lawnmowers, keeping the engine and chassis intact. They race on flat tracks or go off-road, making for some wild and bumpy ride. The rules? Simple, no fancy modifications allowed. It's all about skill, strategy, and a little bit of lawnmower magic. And the prizes? Bragging rights and a shiny trophy. But let's be honest, it's mostly about the bragging rights. So the next time you mow your lawn, remember you could be racing instead. Why not give it a whirl? Lawnmower racing, the wildest sport you've never heard of. Ready, set, mow!